Hi, this is Murray from Second Time Tech, and today I don't have my picture on the screen because it says that it doesn't see my camera, so I can't put it up there, so I'll fix that. It's probably something to do with folding at home, so I'll just do it like this today. You just won't be able to see my pretty face. Anyway, so I was sitting thinking, now if I had about $1,000 American and I wanted to get myself a computer system and I was down in the States, what would I do? I thought, well, let me have a see. So I got on PC PartPicker and I looked at the stuff and I went, oh, this came out pretty good. So it's exactly $1,000.03. So that's pretty decent. Oh, price changed a little bit. Oh well, guess what? Anyway, went down. So the first thing is the CPU. One of the best CPUs you could get. You can start yourself with a little studio computer for YouTube or for streaming. With this, you can use it as a gaming computer. You can use it for many things. So the Ryzen 5 3600 is $174.15, and you can get it at any one of these places: Amazon, B&H, Newegg, and Walmart, all for $174. Well, these ones are $99, so it's only a few cents, but close enough for me. So the next thing is the motherboard, which would be an MSI B450 Tomahawk Max ATX motherboard for $114.99. Now, the Max means that it'll work with the 3000 series right out of the box. It's got the new BIOS on it, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just plug and play. So that's another nice thing about that. And the VRAM on this motherboard's awesome. You could probably go all the way up to 3900, maybe even a 3950 that you could put in there on the AM4 socket. And it would work fine. So for that price and for that board, very good. So the price for that one, B&H and Best Buy, both have it for the same price. So the next thing was the memory. And for the memory, there's quite a few of them that were $69.99. But I picked the Patriot Viper 4 Blackout 2 times 8 gig, so 16 gigs, 3200 megahertz. And it's for $69.99. I like the look of these ones better than the other ones, but there was 3 or 4 kits that were about that price. So Newegg and Amazon have them both at the same price. Amazon's out of stock right now, but Newegg has it, so that's fine. So there you go. Now the next thing is the storage, and I've been playing around with this stuff for a long time. What I did was I bought this NVMe drive. It's in my studio computer right now, and it works great as a scratch drive. It's fast, and it's 512 gigabyte, and it's $68.98. So that's a good size. You can put your programs and stuff and whatnot on it, so everything's great for that. Now, for the second storage device, yeah, you can save a little bit of money, well, a fair bit of money, and get yourself a hard disk drive, but I wouldn't bother. This Barracuda 120 2.5-inch SSD, 1 terabyte for $129.99. That's an awesome price. This will last you a really long time. It's got it's same with this drive here. They both have really high total terabytes written, and they will last you a long time. And they're 3D NAND, the TLC style 3D NAND. So it will last way better than the QLC will. So good prices. They're almost the same prices as the QLC, and these ones last way longer. So those are the drives to buy. I picked the least expensive good ones that I could find. So the next thing is I have this video card, and it works great, and it's fast, and all that good stuff. It's an EVGA GeForce RTX 2060 KO Ultra, and it's $284.99. I mean, that's an awesome buy. This one here, you can get it at Newegg for that price, and a little bit more, $20 more Prime, but it's out of stock. But here they got $20 off on that. Oh, I might as well go over the storage. For the storage, it's in stock at Amazon for $68.98 and $5 more at Newegg. That's for the NVMe drive, and for the 2.5-inch 1 terabyte Seagate Barracuda 120. It is, well, if you wait for B&H to get them in stock, they're $109, and then $129 at Amazon and at Newegg. So that's actually pretty decent. Now, the next thing was the case, and it's really hard to find a case. Oh my heavens. I looked and looked and looked. But this is the one I've been picking a lot, and the reason why is because it comes with a fan for the back, exhaust fan. It has a grill on the front, and if I'm not mistaken, there's a grill on the top, I think. Yeah, a grill on the top right there. And it's just a good case for what it is. Good airflow. It's got two USB, 2 ports in the front, two USB 3 ports in the front. I mean, it's decent for the price. $49.99 at Amazon, or $51.98 at Newegg. Well, you can see the rest of the prices. But like I say, that's a good price, and it has a glass side on it for that price there. Because that's what the G is for. Let's see if I can find the picture with the glass front. There it is, glass. It's the old style. I have those ones. They work fine. It even has a place if you want to put a optical drive in. So that's good. So the next thing, power supply. Now, power supply is a Seasonic power supply. 650 watts, 80 plus bronze. It has all the wires attached to it, but they're all black. These are expensive nowadays. It's $64.99 for it, which is a really good price for it. But like, as you can see in the picture, it does have the all of the cables attached, but it is still a very, very good power supply. Seasonics makes awesome power supplies. And at B&H, it's $64.99. And of course, a little bit more expensive at the other places, but B&H is the place to get it for that one, for that price. Next thing is the keyboard. And this is the keyboard that I really like. It's an awesome keyboard. It does not come with the mouse. If it was an MK360, it would come with the mouse, but they don't have them anymore. So they're hard to find. But this is a shorter keyboard. Its arrow keys are down in here, but it does have the number pad. I've used this keyboard. It's just a nice size. I think they call it an 80% keyboard. It's just the nice size for it. And using it for a long time, really like it. I think I told you that last time. It's an awesome keyboard. That's just one that I would suggest to use, and it's got the unifying dongle. So you only have to have one dongle in there for the keyboard, and then you can hook, if you get a Logitech mouse, you can hook the mouse up to that also, and then you don't have to be using up all of your USB ports with dongles. So it's not bad. So Best Buy have it for $19.99, and so there she is right there. A little bit more at some other places, but Best Buy is the best price right now. Next thing, and the last thing, is the mouse. And this mouse I actually use. It's a very good mouse. It's the Logitech M510. It even has a couple extra buttons on the side here. So, very good on battery power. Really nice mouse. Yeah, back and forth. Yeah, so that's what it is. Back and forward. So, yeah. Oh, that's what it is. It's back and forward. It's these buttons here. That's what they're for. And then there's another look at it. And it's a good size mouse. So it'll fit your hands, not one of the little tiny ones. And it isn't very expensive. Of course, you can get whatever you like. But this one here from Amazon is only $21.97. You can get a smaller one, which is a 325. It doesn't have the buttons on the side, and I think it's about $20. I think it's $19.99 if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, that is what I figured was a good system for $1,000.03 American. I did not build it in Canadian funds, but basically, to buy it in Canada, that would cost you about $1,400 to buy this in Canada with those parts. And that wouldn't be looking too hard. If you looked harder to find them at places, you could probably get it down to probably about $1,300, maybe $1,350, somewhere between $1,300 and $1,350 in Canada for it. But for $1,000 American, that is an awful nice system. There isn't a hard drive in it. It's got a RTX 2060 in it. This is an awesome buy. I think that anybody that has something like this would love it. Of course, you can change your keyboard and mouse to whatever you like. The rest of it, I think, is great just the way it is. I told you about Windows. Use it for free if you want. Tech by Matt has one of those out, and you can go to, and then he uses SCD key if you want to get, because he's got codes there for that. Anyway, if you go onto their channels and look around, you'll definitely find yourself a coupon code to put in there for SCD key, and again, you'll get it a little cheaper for that. And that's basically all I have for this video. So please stay safe, stay at home as much as you can, keep doing the social distancing, and I want to thank everybody for watching and listening. Stay well. Bye.